up, everybody? My name is Bree and I am the high one. Today I'm going to be doing my hair. It's an interlocking video. So I've interlocked all the hair that's down and I basically have this little bit left. It's like 45, 43 locks up in there. Now this whole time I haven't been looking at my hair as I interlock it, but since we in the front, I'm just going to be more careful. Plus I'm going to try to show you how I do it. Now with these really short locks, you know, you got to get in here with something kind of built for short locks. So that's why I'm coming in with my latch hook, and I'm just gonna probably interlock these like two, like give these 1 or 2 passes, or maybe 3. Perfect. So that one, that little baby lock is right here. When they're real short, you kind of have to use a tool like this for short hair. But since most of my locks are long, I'm going to use this little situation right here. This has been a game changer. You know, this is the first time I've interlocked my hair and have not really looked at it while I was doing it. And it's been the most fun I've ever had interlocking my hair. Just, it's so much fun because I get to watch TV and do my hair. I don't even know how to tell you how fun that is, but it's exciting. So here we are now. We got the next one. I'm gonna thread the needle like so, like that, and then also, come on, man, thread the needle and put it on there probably about like halfway. You can put it up there as high as you want, but you know, you got to be able to, it has to have enough room so you can interlock. So you go through the top and then you pull it all the way up so it can reach the crotch of the lock. And then you're gonna go through this side and do the same thing. Pull it up to reach the crotch. Go through the bottom, pull it up to reach the crotch. Go through this side. Oops. Pull it up to reach the crotch of the lock. And then go back through the top. Pull it up to reach the crotch. And then you know what? It needs another one. Like it's the top one is not enough. So I'm just gonna do it one more time. Okay, and actually it can fit another pass, but instead of the last pass being the one that comes from the bottom, I'm gonna send it back through the top, because you never really want to end your locks having sent the last pass through the bottom. It's just poor practice, and I can't really explain it to you. It'll make your locks be like, maybe, well, I mean, I guess it could just give it a little height at the root. Eventually, the awkwardness of how it sits will go away, but you generally want to end going down, with your locks going down. So all of this looks like I'm balding, but I swear when I get, my hair is nappy, it's like, it's nappy, it's full. You can't tell that my hair is fine in the front, you know, it's just, it does its own thing. So I will say that for the big ones, you don't really have to look in the mirror, but when you have these really little ones like I do in the front, it's imperative that you kind of know you can see what you're doing, because you'll keep getting caught up on other little ones around them.